Ab'ekibiina kya FDC bakira omu kaseseke erizooba bari kwesharinga obu bari kugamba ngu Nitwenda Dr. Kiiza Besigye. Aba batandikira mu kizungu nikwo kutambura bari kwetorera tawuni yoona obu bagumize bari kugira nti Nitwenda Besigye arekurwe kitari ekyo nibaza kurumba parliamenti. Banyuma yo kutambura nuko kurugayo bakiika kandi a ground hotel bakatandika kugamba zimwe ansonga eziri kubaruma hamwe no kwereka abanya-Uganda kubine kuba batakubasa kubona basitama ngo bine kurugayo barabarebeke ngo basikona bageno miso no kurwanira Dr. Kiiza Besigye. Arikura ekibiina kya FDC muri Burengerizoba we nagira nti bareke government ireke kubona bonesa Dr. Kiiza Besigye aho kuba kandi ono muntu kandi uwomwe ayarwanira idembe ya Museveni bine kubona bageno miso no kumurekura.
And we hope today Kano Kiiza Besigye, our president, should be freed with no conditions. This means that also that we are also concerned as Ugandans, as Mbarara city people, as the people of PFF, so that next time we shall be more to join this if it happens. Really, it has been alarming everywhere, all over the world, about Kano Kiiza Besigye, who was a freedom fighter among the fighters that are enjoying this country when he is enjoying the prison.
Chimara, Museveni must resign, Museveni must go, Museveni must stop torturing Ugandans. Bino sibye barwanirira, bari bunsikonga barwanirira dembe. Constitutional Supreme Court yasaraho negamba abantu babate mwami Museveni ne mutabani we nibaragira nti no bwaba bagambye tubate tujja kubatta mutabani we ya tweeting anagamba Besigye ajja kufira mukomera oba baja muhanginga baja mu kumuteka ku karaba naye fenga bana Uganda fenga Mbarara youth tusazeemu nitugamba bwe tumwadde sawa 24 singa tata Dr. Besigye singa tata Kiiza singa tata Nyanzi singa tata n'abalala ba political abanupu bonna bakwata fenga Mbarara fa bakulembedde kino this time abaganda tubasaba Mbarara mwino tukwatira boraba abanyankora babade baroza tibawagira Museveni nga bavuddeyo mwabaganda abava Chori abava Northern Uganda aba Eastern Uganda mulinze eki
ate nkubira abakyara abembuto abana abawarabona tugenda kubareta ku street ekyo mukibakakasa oba mugenda kututa temusobora kutumarayo kubanga fa abanji ate speaker ne deputy speaker tubarumba ku parliament tugenda kubarumba ku parliament tetugenda koma ku streets ekyo tugenda kuva marwariro tuve mu slum areas tureta abo mu cyaro tukunganye tubarumba chetwara abakenya chino kirawan ba ministers bachi ate nkubiro muranga wa muri aba minister emotoka ya minister ba MP ngeita wo mugikuba amayinje
police arms just because of what the government is pressing onto them, and yet they are free, yet they have nothing that they have done onto this country. Only that they are trying to bring in all the concerns that are perturbing Ugandans. Therefore, we call upon you all to come up, and today in Mbarara we have came up and said, no, we need to stop this because they are trying to fool around our future.
So the Mwizi people, this is your time now, the ball is in your hands, because the Mwizi is typically the Bachiga. So Mchiga's son languishing in Ruzira, and this gentleman is busy dishing out the Bosco way. Imagine going for a PDM 100 million and you use 2.7 billion. So ladies and gentlemen, Uganda is ours. And those who think we should go to an election for what? Museveni must go. We should have even gone yesterday, not waiting for 2026.
Ati mu parliament muje muraba bakazengeri je twayisamu muraba bakazengeri je turimu abana bari mu bwenzi abana basomye te bayina mirimo ba street kids abana banji ate kinki bagamba bwembanga te mutade Besigye tugenda kunganya aba bana abari mu kizungu abari mu slum areas buno bu street kids abava da musomero bana bakaza bembuto tugenda kubareta ku ngudo.